Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix YouTube Music 2025 recap not showing problem. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. Now before following any of the fixes, let's first know the reasons why YouTube Music recap 2025 is not showing up. Reasons why YouTube recap 2025 not showing up. Your YouTube recap 2025 is not showing up because you have not met these following requirements. Have at least 4 hours of music listening per season. Have at least 10 hours of music listening from January 1 to November 15. Have at least 2 hours of podcast listening only if recap eligible. Keep watch history is on during the recap period. Make sure auto delete is off or not deleting after 3 months. Do not mostly listen to made for kids content. Do not use Google Podcast migrated source. Do not use podcast added by RSS feed. Have the YouTube app Android version 18.43 plus or YouTube Music app Android 8.47 plus. Now if you are eligible for this YouTube Music 2025 recap, then here follow how to view it or how to check your YouTube Music recap 2025. So open YouTube Music app and then at the banner you will say at the top your 2025 music recap is here. Reveal your top artist and more. So tap on this option and then click on get your recap. So by this way you can easily check your YouTube Music recap 2025. Now if you meet this requirement and still your YouTube recap 2025 is not showing, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video. Now the first fix is to update your YouTube Music app. So open Play Store, tap on search for YouTube Music app and then tap on it. And if you see any update available for this app, then please update it and then you can go ahead, launch the app and check if your YouTube Music 2025 recap is showing or not. Second fix is to update your Android device. So open setting, scroll down, tap on system and update, then tap on software update, and if there are any updates available for your Android device, then update it and then you can check if your problem is fixed or not. Next fix is to turn off remove animation. So open settings, scroll down, then tap on accessibility and convenience, then tap on accessibility option and then go to the vision option. In some phone you will see the option visibility enhancements and then you will see in the bottom remove animation option. So just toggle it on and then go back and check if your YouTube Music recap 2025 is showing or not. This fix has solved the issue for many users, so I hope this will work for you as well. Next solution is to turn off auto delete. So go to your YouTube watch history settings. You can go to this website. Link is provided in my video description. And when you are on the YouTube watch history page, click on this auto delete off option and make sure don't auto delete activities is selected. If auto delete is selected, then you have to select don't auto delete activity and then click on next and then select got it. And then you can check if your YouTube Music recap 2025 is showing or not. If not, then again click on this saving your YouTube history and make sure it is on. If it is off, then you have to turn it on and then you have to wait until the next year to get your YouTube recap. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix YouTube Music 2025 recap not showing problem. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.